Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is another video about press-on nails, my obsession for the longest time now. So you're just going to need some things. So I thought you would need nail polish remover, but you don't, and you'll see later on. You're going to need your nails, a fingernail clipper, and a paper towel. So also, you don't really need this fingernail clipper. I just like to clip my nails down because my nails were very long. My nails tend to grow very long, and I kind of like the look of a fresh, you know, salon, sitting down in the salon, kind of getting your nails done kind of look. And I think when my nails are sticking underneath, it doesn't look as real and natural and professional. I don't know, it's just me, but I like to clip my nails underneath anyway. My nails grow long, so it doesn't bother me at all for clipping my nails before applying these. So yeah, I'm clipping my nails, then I'm going to file them, and then I'm going to get ready to put them on. Nice and clean nails, nice and short, and I really love these by LA Colors. The color caught my eye when I saw them in Walmart. Yes, Walmart people, these nails cost less than $5. I've used LA Colors before, and they kind of lasted me, I want to say, before they started falling off one by one, 2 weeks, about 2 weeks. And I'll tell you why they lasted me 2 weeks. As if you continue watching the video, you'll see the method that I use. So here it is. They give you this cloth, this wipe inside for you to clean your nails. They give you a filer, and they give you the glue that comes with it. They did not include the stick for the cuticle to push your cuticles back, and that's the only thing that I can say that they really didn't include in this one. And like I pointed to the boxes, the first step you're going to do is you're going to prep your nails. You want to make sure that they're clean, so when you do put down the glue and the nail, that there's nothing that's going to be underneath on your nail bed that's going to cause it to come off sooner than you would like. So the last video that I did with my nails, they did not last very long. The kiss nails, I love those kiss nails, but they had these little tabs that come with it, and it wasn't with the regular glue. And the tabs to me did not last very long. Either I didn't clean my nails properly, or the tabs just aren't strong enough for my liking. So here, look at these beauties. They're so pretty. And what I really like about these nails is that you turn them in different directions, and they look like different colors. Like, you turn them one way, they look green. You turn them another way, they look purple. You turn them another way, they look blue. They're just really pretty. So here we go. They show you in the back of the box the different nails, and they have numbers underneath. These nails, unfortunately, are not that easy like some of the other ones that I've purchased. They're not easy to notice the numbers underneath. So I did struggle for a little bit, and it took me a little bit longer than I would have liked. I mean, it only took me about maximum 15 minutes to apply these nails, but that's also because I had some camera issues, so I had to stop, and also having to find the numbers underneath. But once you see, I tried to show you guys the numbers on the bottom, underneath, but it's kind of hard to capture that on my camera. Either I was doing something wrong, but I didn't capture it for you guys. But what I like to do is I will go ahead and get all the nails for one hand, find the numbers underneath, and just pick out the matching numbers on the other side. So that kind of like speeds up the process. Plus the fact that I noticed that I couldn't really see the numbers underneath, I said, look, I'm not going to be here forever trying to struggle with these, so let me get everything out of the way beforehand. Plus wanting to do this video, and I need to prepare myself for our Christmas Eve party right after this. So the nails were the first thing that I did, and then I went and did my hair and my makeup afterwards. So these nails I did for Christmas Eve. So that's Christmas Eve 2018. So that's just recently. Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. My days are a bit of a blur now. Yeah, so Monday. I did these nails right before getting ready for our Christmas Eve party. So yeah, I'm matching them up, making sure that they look good on evenly on both sides. And then I'm going to get ready to glue them down. So I'll show you what my method that I've tried before, and I've noticed that it works the best. For me, the box does not tell you to do this, but this is what I do, and so that's coming up soon. So what I was just doing just now is I noticed that one nail said a number 8, I think it was, and the other nail said a number 5, and they were pretty much the same size. And I was like, wait a minute, did I pick up the wrong size? So I was double checking, just making sure that they were both the same number and the same size, because I fancied that a couple of the nails were similar sizes and had different numbers, so I just wanted to make sure that it was perfect. So here it is. I'm going to take off the glue. I tried using my fingernail, my clipper, and here I am cutting away, and I'm just like, wait a minute, it didn't open. And then I'm struggling, and I'm struggling, and I'm struggling, and I'm struggling, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this isn't working. And then after struggling long enough, I finally decide to get up and get some scissors, and here we go. So I had to cut down quite a bit until getting to the opening, and I don't think it's a big deal. I guess they don't want all the glue to squirt out. I don't really know. So this is what I do now. I put the glue on my nail bed, and after placing some glue on my nail bed, I place glue on the nail as well. So I think the box tells you to just put the glue on your nail bed and then put the nail down, or the other way. Basically, they don't tell you to put both, glue on both. There's probably a really good reason for that, but this is how I apply my nails, and they tend to stay on a bit longer. Like I said, I had some LA Colors nails before that I wore, and they stayed on for up to 2 weeks before 1 or 2 started to come off. And so I carry this glue around with me. It's pretty tiny. You can put it in your bag, your makeup bag, or something like that, and just in case you happen to lose a nail, and you don't want to walk around looking crazy with a nail missing, just carry this little glue, and hopefully the nail doesn't fall on the floor and you can still find it. Or you can always carry the same pack around with you. It's not that big, it can fit in your bag. But like I said, my nails tend to last me up to 2 weeks without any problems. So that's why I apply my press-on nails this way, putting glue on my nail bed and then putting the glue on the nail. And I hold it down for maybe about 30 seconds or more. I think the long hair, I'm so sorry, like my phone rang. And I thought I turned off the camera, and I didn't turn off the camera. But anyway, I tend to hold it down for, slow counts of 30 or longer, because I really want it to stick down really, really good. So about 30 seconds is good enough to hold it down firmly on your nail bed. That way it doesn't lift up. I went a little crazy with the glue a little bit, and some of the glue kind of like came up a little bit when I squeezed it down, but it's no big deal. It dries and then it basically peels off. So here are these pretties. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful they are. And now I'm gonna get ready to do, I thought I was gonna get ready to do the other nail. So I'm just filing down the front of the nail, just smoothing it out a little bit so it doesn't look too pointy and too fake. I kind of want it to look pretty natural and a little round in the front. So I'm just filing it down very, very, very lightly. And here they are. And so I've turned off the light, and this is how it looks. And then I turned up the light, and this is how it looks. So it kind of looks like 2 different colors. Like I said, that's what I really like them. So now we're going to basically start the other hand. And so here we go, the finished product. How beautiful are these nails? I don't know if they have a special nail in the salon or not, but this design is beautiful. So this is without the light, how it looks. And now I'm gonna file on this side. File. Just to shape it a little bit. Oh, I'm so in love with these nails. They're so pretty. And here it is, without and with the light, just to show you the colors, how they look. If you've never tried on press-on nails, please try them. Don't be afraid. They're perfect for like any occasion. If you need a quick fix and you can't sit in a salon, can't afford to go, these are less than $5. I think it was $3.47 that I paid for these. Thanks for tuning in to my channel.